Assalamu alaikum. Project management is about getting things done. Everywhere you look, projects are underway. Every project needs a manager to ensure its success. Someone with their eye on every detail at every stage from inception to completion. The outcome of these projects were the result of leaders and managers applying project management practices, principles, processes, tools, and techniques to their work. The managers of these projects used a set of key skills and applied knowledge to satisfy their customers and other people involved in and affected by the project. Project management is about knowing exactly what you want to achieve. How are you going to achieve it and how long it will take? It's about ensuring that everyone involved shares and understands those aims before the first steps are taken and that they continue to as the end of the project, whatever it is, draws closer. Because successful projects don't just happen. They are not just a long list of jobs to be done. There are masterpieces of planning, management, organization, and communication. A carefully choreographed sequence of events where progress is smooth and steady. One step leads seamlessly to the next, and every possible hitch has been considered and counted. The successful project needs people with the right skills and knowledge at its heart, working together. A well-managed, motivated team with clear roles, responsibilities, and reporting lines will carry a project to its conclusion without compromising on time, cost, and quality. Project management is a wonderful thing, but it's easy to forget how the world might look without it, because at its best, project management is virtually invisible. It's the absence of problems and the prevention of failure. But behind every successful project, whether exchanging the way a company works or the organization of an important event, there is an unsung hero, the project manager, who kept everything and everyone on track to ensure the delivery of the desired result.